Hi everybody, this is Ian Lamont, publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides, including LinkedIn in 30 Minutes by author Angela Rose, available from in30minutes.com. Today we'll be talking about how to get rid of those updates to your network notifications from LinkedIn that you get in your email inbox. And this will apply whether you're using LinkedIn.com on a Windows, Mac, or Chromebook, and any type of desktop browser. And also, just a quick note, what you're about to see, it may look a little bit different depending on when you watch this video or how you have LinkedIn set up. And also, you need to follow LinkedIn's terms, of course. So let's get started here with the thing that really bugs me, and it is emails like this. Sometimes you may get an email every day from LinkedIn saying something like, "Oh, Ian, you have 7 job changes and 80 new updates waiting for you on LinkedIn." And what they're not your job changes; they're job changes for people in your network, and they may be doing other things too, like it's their anniversary or whatever. And if you want to disable those types of updates hitting your email inbox or maybe reduce them, this is how to do it. So let's go to LinkedIn. Here's my LinkedIn homepage. Find the icon at the top that says Me, click on that, and then click Settings and Privacy. Now this particular dashboard is changed. It seems like it's every 2 years they update it, so it may look a little bit different by the time you look at it. What you want is communications. Okay, and then you select email. We're not talking about mobile notifications. That will be adjusted from the LinkedIn app settings or your own Android or iOS, the notification settings on that. This is for the desktop version only. So what we're looking for is network, and there's updates and changes in your network. Okay, this little pencil here, this means you can edit individual settings within this particular category. At the very top, there's one that says network, a toggle switch. If I toggle that off, that will turn off everything in LinkedIn in this particular network category. And some things, for instance, you may want to receive them, like Company Digest or your contacts join LinkedIn. I just want to change the updates. So click that. Email frequency right now is set to individually. That means every time there's some sort of update, I may be getting a notification, and that's not acceptable, of course. So first thing you can do is you can just change it to a weekly digest. And what that means is you'll only get 1 email a week about these types of changes. But if that's too much for you, and I know for many professional people it is, you can just turn it off. That means you will not get any emails about updates and changes in your network. For more information on how to get the most out of LinkedIn, check out our book, LinkedIn in 30 Minutes by author Angela Rose. It's an excellent book. It's on its 2nd edition by now. And if you have any more questions about it, go to in30minutes.com to learn more about the book. And also, if this video helped you, please take a moment to like it or follow my channel, my In 30 Minutes channel on YouTube. And you can see more videos and also blog posts about LinkedIn and other topics on in30minutes.com. My name is Ian Lamont, signing off. Thank you so much for watching.